So I'm gonna make the Jetpack protein smoothie the berry. So I'm gonna give it a try. Here we go. So I put 9 ounces of milk. Then I just put this in, apparently. Alright. So you get to see consistency, guys, here. And I'm just gonna add some dried cranberries. Why not? You know, add a little bit of extra to it. And just top it off, and I should be ready to go. That's it. All right, when it automatically stops, it should be done. That's it. So this is kind of how it looks, guys. Not bad, right? All right. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm going to put it. And let's see. Oh, it's great. So this is how it looks. You can see that. All right. Taste test. Oh, wow. That is so good. Wow. I'm a fan. It's super easy. I love it.